Do you want to support your immune system and give your skin a healthy glow? Then this video is for you. Come with me and let me show you the homemade juice I love to drink as part of my healthy routine. Let's get into the video. Welcome to Cook with Sonita. Let me show you how I drink my skincare. We will be using fresh carrots, sweet oranges, and ginger for this recipe. First, let me show you my skin. This is what my face looks like. I love how refreshing this juice is, and it helps support my immune system while keeping my skin looking healthy and glowing. As you're watching the video, let me tell you a little about the amazing benefits of carrots, oranges, and ginger. Carrots are rich in beta carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A to support healthy vision and skin. Let's get into oranges. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps support healthy immune system. For ginger, it adds a refreshing flavor and contains natural compounds that have long been valued in traditional diets. I peeled my carrot, one of my favorite kitchen tools, an amazing peeler I purchased on Amazon. I will link all the tools I use in this video in the description box, and I'll also pin them in the comment section. If you'd like to grab any of them, they will all be listed there for you. As you are watching the video, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting Cook with Sonita. If you are new to this channel or this is the first time you're coming across my video, I would love for you to subscribe and join our family. For my returning subscribers, I just want to give a shout out to you all. Thank you for being part of this amazing journey. Now let's continue making this delicious immune supporting juice. Over the last few weeks, we've made a lot of delicious pastries together. We've made carrot pop-off, butter pop-off, banana pop-off, and many more recipes in my pop-off series. If you haven't seen them yet, I will put the entire playlist in the description box. Guys, be sure to check them out. You might just find your next favorite recipe. Make sure you take your time and wash your fruits and vegetables thoroughly. You don't want to take any dirt or residue getting into your juice. You can see I'm taking my time here. I changed the water several times to make sure everything is thoroughly clean. This way I'm 100% sure what is going into my system is clean. Here is the amazing juicer. This is the juicer we'll be using for today's recipe. As I earlier mentioned, I will link this juicer along with other kitchen tools I use in my kitchen in the description box and a pinned comment below. I absolutely love this juicer because it is fast, easy to use, and it gets the job done within few minutes. It took me only about 5 minutes to juice all my carrots, oranges, and ginger. It's definitely one of my favorite kitchen tools, and I know you want this in your kitchen. So don't forget to purchase one on Amazon. Don't forget to come back next week because we'll be making another amazing refreshing homemade juice, and I can't wait to share the recipe with you. And here is our finished carrot, orange, and ginger juice. From these ingredients, I got about 1000 ml of juice. I paired mine with my homemade dry fruit, also known as Cameroon Gateau, and my family absolutely love it. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Cook with Sonita, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new recipe. Leave a comment, share to your loved ones. Stay healthy, keep cooking with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now and see you next week.